Yeah. You like? Yeah, always. Nice bike. What the? Oi, are you alright? Hello, Vise. How are we doing, girls? Not good today. Hello, boys. How are you? Shit. Maybe not. What the fuck are they doing? Me and my water. Shit. So fucking drunk, huh? Nah, I wanna go the other side. Me and my water. That moment when you're so drunk and you're wondering where the fuck you're gonna go. There you go. That moment. Hello, Mushi Mushi. Not even sure she's Japanese. I think she's Chinese. He's lost. Where should I go? I lost my way. London is big. I really lost my way. Confused. Really confused. I leave the guy alone. What the fuck?
What's that?
What the fuck was that?
Maybe he needs to go to the toilet.
Probably. Funny. Scared. For fuck's sake.
I ain't talking to you. I ain't talking to you.
No, but sure you can come out from the other side. Can you come out from the other side? You can come out from the other side. Ha, shortcut. Ha 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 ha. Nice one. Nice. Do not wait. Sorry. Thanks, mate. After you, sir. He's in a rush. Hello. Good evening. That one is not happy to be. For fuck's sake. Motorcycle. Bam, bam. Motorcycle. 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 Bam, bam. Motorcycle. Taking a piece of the guy. He's gonna come back to fuck my bike when I'm gone. If mommy all moved, yeah, I can blame him. Just fucking watch, please. That would be nice. Thank you. Have a good day. Hello, officer. Good morning. I'm sleeping. Leave me alone. I'm sleeping. Cute baby. Shh. Shh. Childish. Bit drunk or what? You got a new bike? You good, eh? What the hell? Thank you! Nice one. Thanks. Nice one, taxi driver. Of course, after you. After you, sir. See? There we go. Shit, the Lotus got fucking smash. There you go, that's the one from early. Bloody amazing car, man. I love Lotus. It's light, small. Take that like if you have this like a Sunday car, you know. A proper smash. Nice, nice car. That guy was giving me the look like what the hell is he looking at, you know? Hey. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. What the fuck? Masturbating or what? Yeah? Have a good day, yeah? You're a wanker, you know. Yeah, you're a wanker, you know that. You're a wanker, you know that.
But you never pop nothing. You said you a wankster, and you need to stop fronting. You ain't a friend of mine, you ain't no kin of mine. What makes you think that I won't run up on you with the 9? We do this all the time. Right now we on the grind.
What the fuck? Come on, this is... Where's the fucking This is fucking bullshit. That's scooter shit, that's why. Look, for fuck's sake. I don't wanna hurt my bike. Just wanna put that piece of shit back on. Okay. There we go. I think it was on at the first, and that's why it's fucking on, man.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my